nice and easy, guys, as he comes up.
And release slowly.
He's still 15 metres down, he's just on a bit of a lip.
And release.
Comfy, mate? Comfy. Yeah.
And steady.
Maybe we can get him up. Try and bring him all out here.
Yeah.
Alright, mate.
And you'll be able to be able to
I'm just going to release one out of the safety blade to make it easy to pull up.
I'll go up there too.
Okay.
You going to photo of me, Vic?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then grab the dog.
No, running forward. Yep, right. Happy. Yep, all tight. Take the feet a haul and haul. How's the pace?
Happy, Fitzy? Yeah, good pace.
Steady, release slowly. And release. Prepare to haul. And haul.
Yep, nice and easy at the moment.
Steady. Nice and steady.
Just that little bit of a lip there behind you, mate. That's it. Yep, all good.
Scotty, when we get him up, can you get a hand onto his back to pull him to you?
Yeah, I can if you want, yeah.
We'll drop him on your side,
Yeah.
I reckon.
All good, mate?
Keep going.
I'll pull you over this way.
Slowly. And release.
Hold there through. Further. If I drop this down there, you'll go down again.
Hey, what sort of nick's the dog in?
Yeah, pretty good.
That's all right.
Can't, wasn't limping or anything.
God.
I can't believe it's not flushed up.
Cheer up, mate.
I cannot believe that. How old is he? 40 months. Oh, is it? Oh, well.
Let us know when you're right, Scotty.
Got a
Good
bit
to
of
go.
a
And haul. And haul.
Yeah, hey.
I'll bring you out this side, Fitzy, so...
Oh.
Might be easy to
Right, steady. And lower slowly.
Bit of
Actually,
slack.
hold.
Yep.
Barty, can you rip forward and just bust open the auto block for us? So hold the weight. Hold the weight. Just near balls though, Barty. Yeah, take
Oh,
it
look at
with
his
the lower
tail.
end, so just
Hello.
open it.
Very good.
Right, we've got him free now, so hand over hand. Coming to you, Scotty.
Yep.
Lower slowly, hand over hand. Yeah, thanks, mate.
You only need about half a metre.
So probably first of all, get a safe hand on the dog. And just keep hands on, guys. Still an open line here at the end.
Good boy.
If Mum or Dad want to grab the dog, we can, Fitzy will give you a bit of slack.
Yeah. Come and grab
Just
the dog.
walk back to a safe area with the dog.
Got him?
Fitzy, you can take yourself offline when you're ready.
Come here. Wizzy, Wizzy.